Philippines is Quezon Province!
Who will be your next queen? This is Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Queen of Grand presents Miss Universe Philippines 2026 second hot picks. And now, let me give you their top 30 second hot picks. And now, let's begin with number 30, Pateros. Number 29, Bacolod City. 28, Cavite. 27, Batangas. 26, Iligan City. And top 25, Los Baños, Laguna. Top 24, Ilocos Norte. Top 23, Cotabato Province. 22, Manila. 21, Iloilo Province. And top 20, Pangasinan. Number 19, Occidental Mindoro. Number 18 spot, Negros Occidental. 17, Mountain Province. Number 16, Rizal. Top 15 is Miss Tarlac. Number 14, Iloilo City. 13 spot, Muntinlupa. And number 12, Laguna. At number 11, Tandag City. Number 10, Quezon City. Number 9, Louisiana, Laguna. Number 8 spot goes to Sultan Kudarat. 7, Albay. Number 6, Cebu Province. Top 5, we have Miss Baguio. Number 4, Taguig. Number 3, Pampanga. Number 2, La Union. And number 1, Cebu City. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the second hot picks coming from Grand Queen Official Miss Universe Philippines 2026. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. Support your favorite candidates and leave a comment.